People, so we are at Lotus Pond, and this is 7 in the morning, 7:30, and as you can see, it is just so beautiful. Yeah, after the rains, the lake is also like well fed. And Ayush, keep walking so that we can. Once it's a 1 minute video, I'll stop. But we are reaching a bridge. So Lotus Pond is in MLA colony, Hyderabad, and it is, if you know, I've really come to believe that when you're near a water body, when you walk, you just feel so much better. I mean, even if you were to go boating, water has that effect. It's just very calming, and it is so pretty, as you can see. And they say it is 1.2 kilometers long. So yeah, even if we can't go that much distance, just being here would be so beautiful. So this is what we do sometimes no, honestly this is the first time we've come here, but it is beautiful. So yeah, Ayush, you would want to go on that bridge?